Hi, it's Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 30 Goodson Street. This home has been fully renovated. It's ready for you to pack up your gear and just move in. Let's take a quick tour. Well, how about that? 30 Goodson Street's got it all. A big block, side access to a shed, great kitchen, brand new bathroom, new roof, freshly painted, and this great outdoor deck to sit around and have a coffee or a beer with your mates. If we can help you own this piece of paradise here in Rockhampton, give the team at McGrath a call. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.